Ever wonder how a company turns raw material, an idea, or a service into profit? It's not magic, it's a process. And the secret to understanding that process is called value chain analysis. Let's break it down. Think of your favorite coffee shop. They don't just snap their fingers and create a $5 latte. They buy beans, roast them, train baristas, brew the coffee, market the brand, and serve it to you. Each of these steps either adds cost or adds value. Value chain analysis is simply mapping out all these activities to see where the value and the cost really comes from. The classic model by Michael Porter splits a company's activity into two types. On one side, the primary activities, the step-by-step journey of creating, selling, and supporting the product. On the other side, the support activities. These are the backbone systems that make the primary activities possible. The primary activities flow in this order: receiving and storing inputs, that's inbound logistics; transforming them into the final product, that's operations; getting it to customers, that is outbound logistics; promoting and selling it, that is marketing and sales; and providing support after the sale, that is service. Holding everything up are the support activities: company management, finance, hiring and training, software and R&D, and purchasing. The goal of analyzing this value chain is to find your margin, the profit. It's the total value you create for customers minus the total cost of all these activities. The bigger the gap, the better. So, how do you use this? You go step by step. For each activity, ask, how does this add value for the customer? Is it through higher quality, faster delivery, better service? And what does this activity cost? This helps you make strategic choices. Maybe you can optimize an activity, reduce its cost, or boost its value. Or maybe it's not your strength and you should outsource it to a specialist. The analysis shows you where to focus. In the end, value chain analysis gives you an X-ray of your business. It moves you from seeing a company as a blur to seeing it as a clear, interconnected system where every part impacts profit. Got it? Now think about your favorite company. Can you guess their most valuable activity? Let us know in the comments. If this helped, smash the like button. Subscribe for more strategic management concepts broken down simply, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching.